We're in winter. What a winter vehicle this is. Land Rover Defender 110. Now, this car's a 3-litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower, SE X-Dynamic. Eiger Grey. It looks really well because it's got a black exterior pack. It's an X-Dynamic, so you get all the black styling along the front bumpers, along the side of the arches, and along the bottom of the doors. The car's done delivery miles. It's got the bonnet decal. It's got side steps, privacy glass, contrasting black roof. An SE gives you great specs, so you've got things like Meridian sound system, memory seats, heated seats, sliding sunroof. 72 plate, only done a few hundred miles, price to sell, and just a fantastic car. We sell so many of these. So let me just show you the quick differences. So the car's Eiger Grey. You've got full black pack, so we've got badging, the insert across the front. X-Dynamic gives you all this under section finished in the high gloss black. Adaptive lights, you've even got surrounds there in black as well. You've then got the black around the arches, 19-inch wheels which are done in gloss black. And the car just sits and looks lovely because normally, even on the X-Dynamic, you sometimes get a bit of bronze styling. This car hasn't. Everything's black exterior. So we've got the contrast of the Eiger Grey. Then you've got contrasting black roof, privacy glass. You've got the signature graphic on the side, which is done in Eiger Grey as well. Full-size spare wheel in black. Big X-Dynamic around the rear bumper. Boot space on a 110 is fantastic. That is why they're very, very popular. You've got a huge boot. You can drop them seats down. And they're just a great car. You know, what I like about Defenders, and my wife's on her 3rd one now, is you can just get in them, drive them. If you've got kids, which we have, you're not worried about, you know, them catching mark in the leather. They're quite robust inside the way they've been built. And that's what we like about them. You know, we've got a dog as well, which goes in the boot, and there's lots and lots of space. Keyless entry, and then you've got all the SE specification, which I mentioned, memory seats, Meridian sound. You can see on the kick plates there, it's got X-Dynamic, digital cockpit, and then you've got a lovely interior with a contrasting little sections as well, broken up on the door cards and on the steering wheel. I'll just start the car up. It's keyless start. You've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. You've got cruise control, which is adaptive as well. Great feature, especially on an SE model. So there's little things that they're starting to change and put on cars on an SE, which is standard. You've got full surround, top view, and 3D camera system, which is superb, as you can see. Front and rear heated screens, heated seat driver and heated seat passenger, USB charging points, just lots and lots of space as well. And as you would expect, the car smells new, is like new. It's got 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. Last big extra before I show you in the back is the car's got tilt, there we go, and sliding sunroof, great feature. And then look at the space also in the rear, but it's important, look at that. Lots of space, all 3 Isofix seats if you need them, just lots of leg room, and that is why they're so popular. They drive really well. This car's a 250 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel engine, looks lovely. It's done delivery miles, great colour combination with that contrasting of black and Eiger Grey. It's going live on our website. Any questions, you can call me direct. Thank you for watching.